Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today is our lecture number 5 in which we will start a new chapter which is subtraction within 10. Okay, if you remember in our previous lecture we finally finished our chapter addition within 10 in which we learned about addition, how do you plus and how do you add two numbers or three numbers. So in this chapter, in the chapter subtraction within 10, we will learn about how to subtract two numbers. Okay, we learn in more detail. So please take out page number 62 of your book. Take out page number 62, which is section A of the given chapter, subtraction within 10. So basically we have already learned what is addition. If I just revise back, addition was when you actually plus two numbers. I taught you how to add two numbers, add two or more numbers, two or three numbers. You can count using the picture, or you can also use your fingers to add two numbers. Okay, the best part is that you use your fingers to add two numbers so that it would be much easier for you later. Okay, so always use your fingers. That would be a much better thing. So what is subtraction? Subtraction is basically when you minus. Addition was what? Plus, right? What is subtraction? Subtraction is minus. Now just like whenever you were adding, so you used to use the word addition or altogether or sum. Okay, similarly there are so many words used for subtraction. You can use the word difference. Difference also means minus. Left also means minus. Subtraction means minus. Whenever you are supposed to subtract, that means you are supposed to minus the numbers. Difference also means subtraction, that means you need to minus the numbers. And whenever your question is stated in the way that left word is written, that also means you need to minus. Okay, so you need to remember these three words: subtraction, difference, or left. In all the cases you need to minus. Now in addition, what we used to do, we used to count on, right? For example, if we were supposed to do 5 plus 3, so how would we do this? We used to open our three fingers, right? And we used to start counting from 5, 6, 7, 8, right? What we used to do? We used to count in step of 3, 6, 7 and 8, right? We used to open three fingers and we used to count in step of 3, 5 from 5 onwards. 6, 7 and 8. So my answer was 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So what we used to do, we used to count on. That is, we used to move forward. We used to move forward. We used to count on. But what do we do in subtraction? We count back. Okay, we move back. For example, now it is 5 minus 3. We have already done 5 plus 3, which is 8. Now what is 5 minus 3? What would we do in subtraction? You would go back, you would move back. So in addition, I was doing like this: 5, 6, 7 and 8. I was counting on in step of 3, right? I was moving forward in step of 3. But in subtraction, I would count back, I would move back in step of 3. So let's move back. If you move back from 5, you will get 4, 3 and 2. So what is my answer? 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So in addition, what you used to do? You used to move forward, you used to count on. And in subtraction, what do? You move back. That is, you count back. Okay? So you actually count back in subtraction, or you cancel or cut in subtraction. So how do we do that? Let's further. For example, you can see question number 1. There are 5 apples in a basket. Anna removes 3 apples from the basket. Now, in the starting, how many apples were there? There were 5 apples and Anna just removed 3 apples. So these 3 apples are no more in the basket. So how many apples are left in the basket? Whenever there is a left word, what do? You minus, right? What do you do in left? You minus. Now, whenever you are supposed to minus, I have to minus 5 minus 3, right? There were 5 apples in the basket and now 3 apples have been removed. That means how many are left? How many are left? So when 3 apples are removed, see, there were 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And Anna removed how many apples? 3 apples. So what will I do? I will cancel 3 apples. 1, 2 and 3. I just removed 3 apples. So how many apples are left? How many apples are left in the basket? 1 and 2. So I could have simply written 2 apples are left in the basket. I use the picture here to find my answer, right? From 5 apples I cancelled 3 apples and my answer was 2. So 2 apples are left in the basket. So what did I do? I used the picture to solve my question, right? So how would you actually do 5 minus 3? How would you do 5 minus 3? You know that whenever left is used in the question, you need to minus. Now in plus, what you used to do? You used to count on, okay? So you used to open 3 fingers and then you used to count 5, 6, 7, 8, right? But here we have minus. So what would you do? You would now open 5 fingers and you will close 3 fingers. You will cut 3 fingers. You will close 3 fingers. So how many are left? 2 fingers are left. How many fingers are left? 2 fingers are left, right? Look at this. What did I do? I counted back in step of 3. 5. If you count back 1, 2 and 3. So what is the number I am getting? 4, 3, 2. My answer is 2. Okay. So what do? You count back in subtraction. You can also use your fingers. You open 5 fingers and you close 3 fingers. How many fingers are remaining? 2. So my answer is 2. So here you can see question number 2. Mark has 6 pears. Now Mark has how many pears? 6 pears. And he eats how many pears? He eats 2 pears. Okay. So Mark had 6 pears and he ate 2 pears. That means now these 2 pears are no more there. So how many are left? In left, what do? You always minus. So 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. If I want to use the picture to solve, how would I do that? I have 6 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would cancel how many pairs? 1 and 2. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see 4 pairs are left. That is my answer. You can also use your fingers to count. Okay. So 6 minus 2. How do you do that? You open 6 fingers and you close 2 fingers. You open 6 fingers and you close 2 fingers. So how many fingers are left? 4 fingers are left. Okay. So what do you actually do? You actually count back in step of 2. 6, 5 and 4. How many steps would I count back? 1 and 2. Okay. How many steps would I count back? 1 and 2. So my answer is 4. I cancelled. I closed 2 fingers and how many fingers have I got? 4. Okay. Now question. Find the difference between 1 and 4. So whenever the word left is used or whenever the word difference is used, what do? You minus, right? So you need to find the difference between 1 and 4. That means you need to do 4 minus 1. Always remember, you always minus the bigger number from the smaller number. Sorry, you always minus smaller number from the bigger number. That is, you will write the bigger number first and the smaller number afterwards. Okay, always write the bigger number first and then write the smaller number. Never write the smaller number first. Never. Always write the bigger number. Okay. Now what is 4 minus 1? Now if I use this picture, so I have 4 bananas, right? And what did I do? I just cancelled one banana, right? I cancelled one banana. So how many bananas are left? 1, 2 and 3. That means the difference between 1 and 4 is 3. Okay, you can also use your fingers, open 4 fingers and close 1 finger. So how many fingers are left? 3, right? So my answer is 3. So what did I actually do? How many steps did I count it back? I counted back 1 step. 4, you move back 3. My answer is 3 because I was supposed to do 4 minus 1. So how many steps would I move back? 1 step. I would close 1 finger. That means I would move back 1 step. Okay, if you were closing 2 fingers, you would move back 2 steps. If you were closing 3 fingers, you would move back 3 steps. Look at this. What is 6 minus 4? So what is actually 6 minus 4? Can you do it directly? Open 6 fingers and close 4 fingers. Open 6 fingers and close 4 fingers. So how many are left? 2 fingers are left. So 6 minus 4 is 2. How many steps did you count it back? You counted back 4 steps. So 6, if you move back from 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. How many steps did I count it back? 4 steps. So my answer is 2. Okay. So this is how you do it. You use your fingers and you should know how many steps you counted back. Okay. Now 6 minus 4 equals to, what is this called? This is called a subtraction sentence. If you remember, we have already learned what is an addition sentence when you plus. So what is a subtraction sentence when you minus? Minus sign is actually shown by this sign. And what is this sign called? Equals. So how would you say this in English? 6 minus 4 equals 2. Okay? Always remember, you write the bigger number first and you write the smaller number afterwards. Okay? And just to solve page number 65 and 67 in your book. Open page number 65 and 67 and make sure you solve this book exercise. If I just revise things back for you, how do you actually do subtraction? You can use the picture. Okay, you can use the picture. How do you use the picture? Whenever you are doing subtraction, for example, I have 5 minus 1. So how would you do 5 minus 1? You cancel 1 and how many are remaining? 4. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4. You can also use your fingers to subtract. Open 5 fingers, close 1 finger. How many are remaining? 4 fingers. So that means 5 minus 1 is 4. How many steps did you count it back? You counted back 1 step. Okay, so you should know all these details. I hope this lecture is clear to you. If this lecture is not clear to you, make sure you watch the video again so that your confusions and queries can be resolved. Okay, and make sure you solve these exercises. Both exercises on 65 and 67, they are very much easy. Okay, meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.